In this video, we'll cover the essential steps and best practices for installing a Clearlite Cezanne square sliding shower door set. Before installing any Clearlite product, ensure you have the printed installation manual on hand. An acrylic wall liner is shown here. If you're installing a tiled wall shower over a Sure-Seal shower tray, the wall receivers must be installed to the waterproof membrane. Partially remove the clear protective film from the edge of the wall liner where the wall receivers will be fitted. Keep the remaining film in place until the installation is complete. Before installation, pre-assemble the door panel by affixing the fixed glass section to the head, sill, and post profiles. While ensuring the hole is at the top, position wall receivers on the wall liner and 2 mils in from the inside edge of the shower tray upstand. Ensure they're plumb and drill through the clearance holes using a 3 mil bit. Apply silicone sealant to each of these holes, then affix the wall receivers. Place the door panel over the wall receiver. Place return panel over wall receiver, while ensuring the corner post also engages over the door panel. Then plumb the panels. Using a 3 mil bit, drill then affix panels to corner post and wall receivers. Ensure you fit the screw cap receiver to each screw as you fix them, and finish by pushing on the screw caps. While overlapping the fixed glass panel, fit the center glass door from inside the shower. Place the rollers onto the upper door track, then engage the bottom rollers by pressing the spring-loaded roller mechanism downwards as you push the door onto the lower door track. Ensure the synchronizing bar is fitted to the top of the second glass door. Then install using the same process. This time, overlap the center door. Fit the vertical seals to each of the doors, overlapping vertical edges and the drip seals on bottom edges. Close the doors and check alignment. If needed, you can adjust any door individually by rotating the screw located on top of each roller. Fit the wall receiver and corner post profile caps. Affix the door handle from inside the shower and finish with screw caps. Clean all surfaces with a dry cloth, then mask and apply silicone sealant between the shower tray upstand and the door set along the bottom outside edges. Do not apply sealant on the inside of the shower. If you have installed an acrylic wall liner, apply a thin bead of silicone sealant down the face of the exposed edge of the liner and wall receiver. Then push the supplied trim covers into place using the sealant for adhesion. Remove all remaining protective film and allow silicone sealant to cure for a minimum of 24 hours before use. The Clearlite shower installation is now complete. Key points to remember: pre-assemble door panel, partially remove protective film, secure wall receivers, plumb and affix door and return panels, install doors and fit seals, adjust doors if needed, fit profile caps and handle, clean surfaces, mask and apply silicone sealant, allow 24 hours before use. For detailed instructions, always refer to the installation manual supplied with the Clearlite product. Failing to follow the printed installation instructions may void the warranty.